It's day 2.
We're at Disneyland.
It's been a wild, like, 8 hours. We went to our Airbnb last night and there was ants everywhere.
Literally covered in ants.
Luckily the lady was super nice. I think it was really just like a fluke. She refunded us.
We could Target and get like ant killer, but we don't want to wait for that. We just wanted to wait.
Yeah, we had been up since 3 a.m. So we ended up just canceling. She refunded us and we went and got a hotel. So we didn't go to bed until like 1, and then we woke up this morning at like 6. So
we're dead.
Yeah, we just rode Space Mountain. Now we're going over to Fantasyland. Hopefully today will be a better day.
I hope so.
Yesterday was a good day. It was just a stressful night. We saw World of Color last night. That was amazing.
Rode the Incredicoaster.
Yeah.
5 times.
Yeah, she ended up riding 4 times. So even though she wouldn't admit it, she actually really liked it.
It was pretty good.
We just kind of stopped vlogging yesterday because we were stressed. And yeah. We got our own car on Pinocchio.
Pinocchio's a lying boy.
We got a car to ourselves again for Snow White. We've walked onto both of these with no wait.
Oh my god.
Did that scare you? Madison got scared.
I was not expecting that.
We're riding Mr. Toad. Madison's driving. Can't see him, but... We are in line for Indiana Jones, which we're super excited for because this is one of our favorite rides and they don't have it at Disney World. And we also decided that this is probably going to be our last Disneyland trip for a while. We're just going to stick to Disney World because the hotel situations here are just ridiculous. So, a disaster. Yeah, but this ride is amazing. It's similar to Dinosaur and Animal Kingdom.
We just bought a 4-pack of beignets.
She's lying.
Just kidding. We bought 6 and already ate 2.
The beignets are like one of my favorite Disney snacks, and in Disney World you have to travel all the way to one of the resorts to get them. So I'm always happy when we're in Disneyland and we can get them by just walking right over there.
Delicious.
Look at that fluff.
So fluffy.
We're on It's a Small World and we got a boat to ourselves. We've gotten like 4 rides where we've gotten our own cart, so I guess it pays to come early. 9 o'clock. Hopefully it stays this instead.
Just isn't busy these days.
Yeah, I think that's a possibility too. Where's the drop? I want to go to the World's Fair. We've come to the conclusion that It's a Small World is way better in Disneyland than it is in Disney World. Space Mountain is too, because it's actually dark.
I didn't like the theme. It's Hyperspace Mountain.
Yeah, it's Hyperspace Mountain right now, which isn't as cool, but the ride itself is better here.
This It's a Small World is cool because that's like all the Disney characters.
Yeah, like Aladdin, Cinderella, Peter Pan, Alice in Wonderland. It's actually pretty cool.
Oh, and look, it's Bertha in the shower. Everybody wave. Hi, Bertha. Look how wrinkly she is. Yeah, those are all plants. Oh, look how those are piranhas in the water. Guys, they're nibbling at the boat. Watch out. Don't worry, they're just fish. As long as we stay up here in the boat, we'll be okay. Don't be like that math teacher who was here yesterday, because that guy's history now.
A wild ride in the wheel,
We're going on Big Thunder. We also just got Starbucks.
They chugged a lug.
Yeah, she was like, make sure you finish your drink before you board. And we're like,
I was planning on bringing it on and drinking it on the ride.
yeah, I was planning on letting it spill everywhere. So we're on Alice in Wonderland and we've never ridden this ride before because last time the wait was way too long when we were here, so we just never rode it.
This one's full. Oh, look!
Oh yeah! The Mad Hatter. What's that? Oh, they waved.
That was cool.
That was cute. We just got off of Alice in Wonderland. It was probably one of my favorite like little like movie ride-through rides.
That was really cute.
And we've also been trying to go on Matterhorn. It's been closed all day. but we had a fast pass for it, so we got like a free fast pass to use on anything. So they just opened it back up, so we have another fast pass. But I've literally been to Disneyland like 5 times, and I've never gotten to ride Matterhorn because it's always been closed. So I'm really hoping we're able to ride it today.
The Mad Hatter's right there.
Oh yeah, there's someone over there too.
There's Alice.
Oh, Captain Hook.
There's Alice. Oh, Peter Pan.
Peter Pan. There's a lot of characters over here.
What story should we tell? Story of the Mad Hatter. Alright.
There's Alice, Peter Pan, Mad Hatter.
From Alaska. He rode an iceberg all the way to Wumbo. And in Wumbo, he fell down a hole, and that was a rabbit hole. And that's how
There's Captain Hook. I didn't know he came out in the parks. That's really one of the cool things about Disneyland over Disney World is that the characters just roam free. And in Disney World, they're not allowed to do that. They have to be in like their designated spot. We're going into Toontown, which we also didn't do last time. This trip is just like everything we didn't do last time and everything else. So cute in here. We have been chosen again to have the timekeeper. So that's the second time this trip. We did it on the Emotional Whirlwind and now on Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin. We're on Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin, and it's super cool. You can spin while you're going through it.
Whoa, that's crazy.
There's a camera shop. We're gonna take the camera in to get fixed.
Huh?
Opening this door is forbidden. Mary Poppins. Where's Bert?
Right next to it.
Oh yeah, Mary Poppins and Bert. Don't ride those, that's not nice. We just got off Splash, and I'm soaked. She's soaked. We sat in the front. Totally soaked. And I'm wearing a white shirt.
Insert Splash Mountain picture here.
Actually, I recorded the whole thing on my phone, so it's gonna be bad quality because it was through a plastic bag, but this Splash Mountain's actually pretty cool. We remembered it not being as cool as the Disney World one, but there's like an extra drop that's like in the dark, and that's where we got started. We are about to enter Star Wars Land for the first time. So I can already tell it's super well themed in here, whereas like most of the Disneyland lands aren't themed as well as Disney World's. So we're in the queue for Smuggler's Run. So we just got the blue milk in Star Wars Land. It's pretty good. It's a lot thicker than I expected it to be.
Yeah, I thought it'd be like straight liquid, but it's kind of like smoothie texture. How would you rate it?
I give it like a 6. I don't know what I was expecting, but
Same.
Gizmo submarine voyage. Across the way are the icy peaks of Matterhorn Mountain, home of the world's most famous bobsled.
watch Fantasmic, and I'm freaking out because Steamboat Willie was in it, and I was not expecting that. And obviously, he's my favorite of all the Mickeys. Probably my favorite Disney character in general. So
They have both our favorite.
yeah. And Madison's favorite is Sorcerer Mickey, and the whole thing is around Sorcerer Mickey, so we're pretty excited. We also rode Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run like 3 times today.
We got to be all 3 positions.
Yeah. We're on our way over to Big Thunder Mountain. We're gonna do Big Thunder, Indiana Jones, Space Mountain, and then we're gonna go sleep. So we're here for a few hours tomorrow, and then we go home. And next stop is Disney World in a month, literally from today. And she's doing DCP in like 3.5 weeks. So that's insane.
Really chilly tonight.
So we rode Indiana Jones, we rode Big Thunder. We ended up riding Star Tours, which I haven't done before.
Same as the Rebel slide.
Yeah. And that was the first time I've ever been on it. And then it's like 11:56, the park closes in like 4 minutes. And we are walking on a Space Mountain. Now we're gonna go to the hotel. It's been a fun trip. It was stressful yesterday night, but overall it's been a good trip. We just found hidden Mickeys. So it's day 3, we leave tonight. We are currently getting in line for Haunted Mansion, and today is the 50th anniversary of the Haunted Mansion. So
We went
pretty
to like
cool.
cool popcorn buckets everywhere.
I didn't even plan to be here this day, but it's one of my favorite rides, so it's pretty cool. We pointed over right down. Yeah. That's a whole nother story.
They have selected you to fill our places, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
So, yesterday when we were in Disneyland, we saw like a news article that yesterday early morning, a chunk of the Matterhorn fell off. And the chunk is right there.
There's a door-sized chunk.
They've kind of put like another piece over it to try to hide it, but you can see right there that it's all missing. So.
Apprentice Mickey, someday when you learn the secret of the map, then you may join the others. Right into town and be just like the other man. I'm tired of walking around.
I'm just a road riverbed. Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Because I see the light.
And tonight the fog is lifted.
Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better, darling, it's better, take it from me. The face, the face, the face, how you shout. That's the rest of the name, the top. Look at the look of soul. The rain, the play, the things are.
Big, tall, short, small, we got all of here.
That is not Johnny's dad. We are going to eat at Pizza Planet. How amazing this pizza looks.